ultimate in high-fidelity music listening and home recording pleasure within the reach of everyone.
William and Emily were revealed as hosts. Dolores escaped Westworld in Charlotte's body with Bernard and Abernathy's pearls.
Bernard finally got Ford out of his head.
Bernard finally got Ford out of his head. The Ghost Nation and Maeve's daughter traveled through the door.
Dr. Hanifa.
Delos Corporation was conducting human immortality experiments.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.